Want to unlock your OPPO's full potential? Rooting lets you remove bloatware, boost performance, and customize your phone beyond factory limits. In this video, we'll show you 5 easy ways to root your OPPO, from simple methods to advanced techniques. Part 1. Tips to follow before rooting OPPO devices. Back up your data, for example, Mobikin, charge at least 80. Unlock bootloader if needed, install TERP. Enable developer options and USB debugging, check tool compatibility, know risks and how to unroot. Part 2. How to root OPPO with KingoRoot. Download and install KingoRoot APK, enable unknown sources. Open the app and tap OneClickRoot. Wait until complete. Check for the SuperSU app if present. Rooting succeeded. Part 3. How to root OPPO phone using Magisk. Download Magisk zip and copy it to your device. Boot into TERP recovery. Tap install. Select the Magisk zip and swipe to flash. After flashing, reboot system. Part 4. How to root OPPO smartphone with SuperSU. Download SuperSU zip. Boot into recovery mode, volume down plus power. Tap install. Select SuperSU zip and swipe to flash. After installation, boot. Part 5. How to root OPPO device via OneClickRoot. Visit OneClickRoot website. Select OPPO, your model, and Android version. Click Verify Device Rootable. If successful, click Purchase now to proceed. Part 6. How to root OPPO with iRoot. Download and install iRoot on your PC. Launch it and connect your OPPO via USB. Click Root to start. Your device will reboot automatically.